Welcome, today in front of me SONY XPERIA Pro-I, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sound settings. We will see here the ringtone and notification volume panel. Just to unmute the ringtone, you should swipe this blue dot to the right side with your finger, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button here on the right side of our device and click into the settings icon, and by the same way swipe this volume panel to the right to unmute the ringtone, and then click here to done. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.